What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music club and I hit and I smash now. Bang, and people already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, they are back in our music club with artists. No stranger to the channel. Who me a talk about? Mr. Young Badness. Mr. Blood Cleat. Hey, yo, you don't know what me a talk about, man. Mr. Young Boss. Mr. Young Badness. Mr. Intence. You don't know, dog. They're back in the music club with another tune. We're going to check out and see what I deal with today. Yeah, man, people, and they want to entitle bad people. So I check it out and see what I got to deal with. What was the last track we checked out from Intence? Yeah, man, the last track we checked out from Intence, was it, no, it's not Bounce. It's, CM Night. CM Night was doing his thing, man. CM Night was a bad track. Hey, Intence, I was making some bad tune. You see me? So we'll check it out and see what I deal with today. Again, then come drop, we'll see if he can come for Japan and a banger. Yeah, man, so we don't know the vibe much longer. I don't know, because we don't know Intence. He said drop bad tune. Style and flow are sick and wicked. You see me, dog, I do him thing. Intence take a break for a while. I cut all him ear and thing and back. Look at that back for Intence. We're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. This is Intence. Bad people. Let's get it. Bumbo clot. No. I say fuck this time. I said don't run. Oh, I'm on the shot there. Easy though.
You're the girl them like bad people.
Hey.
You're the girl them like bad people. Killer when a chat mad people.
Hey.
Yo, the girl them like bad people. Killer when a chat people.
Hey. Yeah, them like bad people. Killer when I like chat people. Hey.
Top class bad man with top vehicle. And I jungle of chat at that reach you. I look more.
That's a fact. That's hey.
Bad lingo.
Yeah, man, yeah, them like bad people. You know, when I love talk with top vehicle.
She want fucking I crowning at the athlete though. Pretty little label, she a top ring though. Say keep it on the label on my heartbeat. So no make a glock beat up. She say no, the man.
Pretty little devil, she a top freak too. Better easy na make the na make the black beat and me G, hey. From there over there, little tegger girl and come, hey.
And anyway, the shot there, she find him and eat up like a any maca. Talk in a foot a steady naka. She feel safe, I do the life for we all live no safe left at that. And if me drop a trailer morning, she have me covered like any chapalin. In vibe, not the life.
Man say, I me drop a jail morning, she have me covered like any chapalin. Hey, you see me, I say, at least, hey. You know, at least that's a little bit of realism. You need a girl by your side if you drop a jail or drop on butts, you ain't got your back, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, yeah, man.
For me, I leave on the sorry program for run by any boy, she do that regardless. Cause a bad man, she love and see that the way she like. She sing, your pussy get wet when me say if I gun for ice. Drip her up and box her up.
Hey, her pussy get wet when me say if I gun for rise up, what you mean, man?
Top and eyes, she love when me fuck her outside. The girl them like bad people, but killer when I chat people, man. Top class bad man with top vehicle. And I jungle of chat at that reach up side. I look more when the bad link up. She want fucking I crowning at the athlete though. Say pretty little baby, she a top ring though.
Keep it nice still in her dog, hey, easy no?
On the label on my heartbeat, so no make a glock beat up.
Easy no? Yeah, my dog, yeah, ever since I cut to me and I be looking clean and still like style up, you know, that I be looking clean as fuck. I ain't gonna care.
If you know from your gun, she don't go want you. She don't wanna jokey jump, she want. Fuck the parents might not like my daughter none. She still a bring the pussy, come give me for my fuck it, then we cuddle. But we keep.
She don't wanna jokey jump, she want some odd, hey, parents couldn't like me, she know, that her business still I bring it come. You see me, I say, when you're hey. Nothing can stop them in and you know, I hope nothing can stop them if they have to come across the border them off out.
Keep her safe and keep her safe and keep her safe. Protect you on a daily basis, like day to day. Woman no line can angle line, so you gonna try and go near. The life this swing a time, but the life in years. You that do this over and over, and if you life a spear. Come and love you, I mean it, tell me really care.
Yo, that go hard, yo. This shit, that I love song to him side, girl. This. I wanna think them this guy, yo, that's like a body to die. If you listen to a dog say, yo, it's like a love song, but I want to listen to your wife, or maybe this I want to side girl. I want to look at take her,
just can't I'm not about this and you don't even care. Yo, the girl them like bad people. Killer when you shot people. Top class bad man with top vehicle. And a chungle of chat at that reach yo. And look more when the God link up. She want fucking I crowning at the athlete though. Pretty little baby, she got top ring though. Keep it on the level on my heartbeat. So no make a glock. Beat up.
Nice, no, but she look familiar too though. I ain't gonna cap to you. You see me? You know, but she look familiar to your phone. Yeah man, intense, bad people, young boss, egg madness. They're doing this thing. Yeah man, people, only thing about the one them man. Yeah man, they're doing thing man, intense, bad people. Yeah man, I enjoy that one. I think that's a real dope track, you know what I'm saying? I think that I did this thing on that one. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking shut as them and the girl them gonna like that one, the bad girl them gonna like that one, you see me? You could Taliban them gonna love that one, you see me? The one that can add to your playlist too, you know. I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah man, the one that can get add to your playlist. There's some quality music I get dropped, man, and I like it. I like what I go on for the dance right, you know. Some quality music I get dropped. Some vibes in music I get dropped. You see me, I know everything about the, you know, drop on them these offbeat type rhythm no more. You know, everything about like vibes and bongs and tweet again like now, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, I like it. Bring more vibes tune. I just make whatever topic you talk about, make it vibesy. They have to have that energy there. Don't make it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, I like it man, you see me? Intense bad people, the one that go on the video and mad, the girl them the video look good and everything, you see me? Be a shot and everything, you know what I'm saying? It's a dope video too. Yo, I'm not like yo, intense style. Turn up since dark with in here, you know. You see me that song, turn up man, that look clean and everything and fresh and everything, man, you know what I'm saying? That clothes and you know what I'm saying, brother, and everything they step up, you see it, yeah, that's up in style, man, like that go to the gym when I say, you know. 2024, so we are 2023, so we are come at them, you know, you see me and that, yeah man, mad thing, man, big up yourself, Intence, young boss, you see me and say, yeah man, people, if you like the one, definitely go show the artist some love and support, making us a Jambisco dance, Senor. Yeah man, guys, and you know, making us we are strong over here, so drop a comment in the comment section, let me know what was your favorite part, was it the lyrics, the beats, the melody, let me know where you're watching from, and the girl, let me know the video, you know what I'm saying, whatever it was, let me know what's your favorite part, let me know where you're watching from, drop your flags, drop your emojis, you don't know, and stay tuned guys, I want you to stay tuned and look out for the lives, you know what I'm saying, live, going live today, sometime in the evening, but look out for future lives, we go live, do live reactions and chop it up with the community, and also look out for my premieres, because I'll be in the comment section of the premieres in the when the video drops for premiere, I'll be in the comment section for the whole duration of the video, chopping it up with the damn mafia, you see me, and the family member them. So yeah man, so definitely come across when you see a premiere or a live, chop it up and drop a request, get your shout out live and all them thing there, you know what I'm saying guys? Well yeah man, yeah guys, till next time, you don't know, say about Jambisco, I was here and I hit and I smash now banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.